Hello, if you're watching this video, you probably missed class yesterday on Monday, the 11th of October. This is Mrs. J, and today we're going to make a part and then make a drawing sheet for that part. All right, so open up Fusion 360, click on, make sure you're in a nice new part. You want to click on Document Settings and make sure your units are in inches. We're going to create a new sketch in the top left corner. We're going to click the XY plane, red and green. If it goes too fast in the video, you can pause at any time and go back. Okay, let's take the rectangle tool. If you don't immediately see it up here, it'll be in the drop down, create menu, and you're looking for the 2-point rectangle. So I'm going to click the rectangle tool, click on the origin, drag to the right, but do not click after that. We're going to use the tab key on your keyboard to toggle between the two dimensions. 2.25 inches for the bottom or the length and 1 inch for the height. You can use the tab key to toggle in between. Hit enter. If you happen to have hit the wrong dimension and just typed it in wrong, you can double click and make some changes. No problem. Okay, so I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard and get out of that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I can see a little better, zoom in a little bit. This is the pan tool right here, the hand. It lets you move your object around. Take a panoramic view. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go to the top left and find the circle tool. Click on the circle. I want to put it right in the center, and sometimes I can't find that, but if I hover, it'll give me a dotted line. I'm not seeing it here. If you hover right in the center of your part, you will see a dotted line. When you do that, you follow it down, and then it disappears when you touch your rectangle. So click right on that center. It should be in between two of those squares. As you stretch out, you'll see your circle. We want the circle to be 1.5. 1.5, enter. Sorry about that, Belle. All right, come on, Belle. Hit escape on your keyboard and click the green check mark in the top right corner to finish your sketch. If you missed the diameter, double click it, 1.5. Finish the sketch. I'm going to hit the home view, the house. It doesn't appear until you get close to it with your mouse. There you go. All right, top left corner, we're going to hit the extrude button, and I only want this shape to come out, not the circle. So extrude, top left. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to type 1 inch. And you can play with this a little bit, see what happens if you click all or unclick, see what it looks like. 1 inch, enter. You can go ahead and make that any color you want by left-clicking away from the object, dragging all the way across, hitting A on your keyboard, typing in a color. Try not to use the downloadable ones. They don't always work for you. I'm going to choose red. Let's see what I got. I like that red glossy pink. And again, you can have fun with this. Do whatever you want. Hit close. Okay, so we need to save it in order to do the next part, the drawing sheet. And that's what we're here for. So we're going to hit the save button. I'm going to call this bridge. B-R-I-D-G. And I'm going to give mine some extra numbers because I made a bunch. But bridge is good. Okay, once it's saved, it's got a name. Come over here to design in the top left, drop down to drawing, and select drawing from design. One more time, design, drawing from design. You need a little window that pops up here. If yours has some more information underneath, you'll just need to scroll over here and get to these parts. You want to switch this to ASME, inches, and B, 17 by 11. ASME, inches, B, 17 by 11. Click OK. Sometimes it takes a minute to populate, but this is a drawing sheet with a title block. Your object will already be on your mouse, and it moves with your mouse, and it's in the front view, and I know that because the orientation is stated here. So you have to decide where the front view goes. We do ISO, top, front, side. So I know it's front, I'm going to put it right here. Left click to place it. Come over here and click OK. All right, now we want to put in the ISO top and the side view, the right side view. So let's do that. Top left, projected view. You'll get a notice on your mouse that says select parent view. Select your front view by left clicking. Drag up and you'll get the top view. Left click. Come back down and then go across and you'll get the right view. Left click. And then go up diagonally and you get the ISO view. You could just roll your mouse around and look at the different views you could choose from. Enjoy that for a minute. I'm going to left click when I'm certain of my placement here. Notice how they're all evenly spaced and they make a nice square. I still have this on my mouse, so I'm going to pick a blank space away from the other ones, right click and put OK. All right, we have our hidden lines. And we're going to fix this view by double clicking on the ISO view, isometric view, double click. Find the shaded box. If you hover, it gives you the name. It's on the right. And get some color in your block. Click close. Okay, hit the save button. It'll automatically save it to the name you had plus the word drawing and click save. Good to go. Thanks for watching.